Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the world of luxury living. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most luxurious modes of transportation in the world, private jets. From their advanced technology to their exclusive features, private jets are the ultimate status symbol for the rich and famous. So without further ado, let's dive into our list of the top 10 private jets in the world. Number 10. The Bombardier Global 7500. Coming in at number 10 on our list is the Bombardier Global 7500. It is an exceptional private jet that stands out in the market. With a range of 7,700 nautical miles, it can fly non-stop from New York to Hong Kong, making it one of the most long-range business jets available. It features an innovative air purification system that provides 100% fresh air, ensuring passengers breathe clean air throughout their journey. With a price tag of around $73 million, the Bombardier Global 7500 is one of the most expensive private jets on the market, but it's also one of the most impressive in terms of performance, technology, and comfort. Number 9. The Dassault Falcon 8X. Coming in at number 9 on our list is the Dassault Falcon 8X, an ultra-long-range trijet designed to deliver exceptional performance and comfort. With a range of 6,450 nautical miles, the Falcon 8X can take passengers from New York to Dubai or Beijing to San Francisco without needing to refuel. Falcon 8X is equipped with a cabin management system that allows passengers to control everything from lighting to temperature with the touch of a button. With a price tag of around $59 million, the Falcon 8X is one of the most expensive private jets on the market, but its unparalleled performance and luxurious amenities make it a top choice for discerning travelers. Number 8. The Gulfstream G650ER. Ranked number 8 on our list is the Gulfstream G650ER. This long-range jet can travel up to 7,500 nautical miles non-stop, making it one of the fastest and most capable aircraft on the market. One of the standout features of the G650ER is its advanced cockpit technology, which includes a digital flight control system and Gulfstream's Enhanced Vision System, EVS. The Gulfstream G650ER has a price tag of around $70 million. Making it one of the most expensive private jets on the market. However, its impressive performance, luxurious amenities, and advanced technology make it a popular choice for business executives and high-net-worth individuals who demand the best. Number 7. The Embraer Lineage 1000E. Ranking at number 7 on our list is the Embraer Lineage 1000E, a spacious and luxurious aircraft designed for comfort and performance. With a range of 4,600 nautical miles, the Lineage 1000E can easily take passengers from New York to London or Dubai to Moscow without needing to refuel. One of the most impressive features of the 1000E is its unique airship design, which provides a more comfortable and spacious cabin environment. With a price tag of around $53 million, the Embraer Lineage 1000E is a top choice for those looking for a spacious and luxurious private jet. Its combination of performance, comfort, and advanced technology make it a standout in its class. Number 6. The Boeing Business Jet 2. Ranking at number 6 on our list is the Boeing Business Jet 2, an ultra-long-range aircraft that is based on the popular Boeing 737 airliner. With a range of up to 6,000 nautical miles, the BBJ-2 can fly non-stop from Los Angeles to London or New York to Tokyo. One of the standout features of the BBJ-2 is its robust construction, which includes reinforced wings and fuselage, as well as a state-of-the-art avionics system that provides pilots with real-time information about the aircraft's performance and surroundings. With a price tag of around $80 million, the Boeing Business Jet 2 is one of the most expensive private jets in the world. However, its impressive range, spacious cabin, and advanced technology make it a top choice for business executives and VIPs who demand the very best. Number 5. The Airbus ACJ 319neo. Ranking at number 5 on our list is the Airbus ACJ 319neo, an ultra-luxurious private jet that offers unprecedented comfort and style. The ACJ 319neo is based on the popular Airbus A319 airliner, but it has been extensively modified to provide the ultimate in-flight experience for its passengers. With a range of up to 6,750 nautical miles, the jet can fly non-stop from New York to Dubai or from London to Hong Kong. One of the standout features of the 319neo is its advanced design, which includes a state-of-the-art wing that provides excellent fuel efficiency and range. With a price tag of around $100 million, The Airbus ACJ319neo is one of the most expensive private jets in the world. However, its unrivaled comfort, style, and technology make it a top choice for discerning travelers who demand the very best. Whether it's for business or pleasure, the ACJ319neo is sure to impress. Number 4. The Gulfstream G700. Ranking at number 4 on our list is the Gulfstream G700, the latest and greatest offering from the esteemed private jet manufacturer. The G700 is the largest and most luxurious Gulfstream ever built, featuring an ultra-spacious cabin and advanced technology that make it a top choice for the world's elite. With a range of up to 7,500 nautical miles and a top speed of Mach 0.925, the G700 can fly nonstop from New York to Dubai or from London to Buenos Aires. One of the standout features of the G700 is its advanced technology, which includes an innovative circadian lighting system that adjusts the cabin lighting to help passengers adjust to different time zones. With a price tag of around $75 million, the Gulfstream G700 is one of the most expensive private jets on the market. But for those who demand the ultimate in luxury and performance, it's well worth the investment. Number 3. The Bombardier Global 8000. The Bombardier Global 8000 is a top-of-the-line private jet, often regarded as one of the most luxurious and technologically advanced aircraft available. It has a range of 7,900 nautical miles, making it perfect for long-haul flights, and can accommodate up to 19 passengers comfortably. In addition to its impressive interior feature, the Global 8000 is also equipped with advanced safety systems and technology. This includes an innovative fly-by-wire system that helps to reduce pilot workload and increase the aircraft's overall efficiency, as well as advanced weather radar and collision avoidance systems. With a price tag of around $66 million, the Bombardier Global 8000 is certainly not cheap, but for those who demand the very best in terms of comfort, luxury, and technology, it is one of the best private jets on the market today. Number 2. The Boeing 747-8 VIP. The Boeing 747-8 VIP is one of the most luxurious private jets in the world, offering unparalleled comfort, space, and technology. This aircraft has a range of 8,000 nautical miles, making it perfect for long-haul flights and can accommodate up to 50 passengers comfortably. The 747-8 VIP is also equipped with advanced entertainment system, including high-definition screen, surround sound, and even a concert hall quality sound system. In addition, the aircraft has a full-size kitchen and bar, allowing passengers to enjoy fine dining and drinks while in the air. With a price tag of around $367 million, the Boeing 747-8 VIP is one of the most expensive private jets in the world. However, for those who demand the very best in terms of luxury, comfort, and technology, this aircraft is truly unmatched. Number 1. The Airbus A380 VIP. The Airbus A380 VIP is one of the largest and most luxurious private jets available, based on the commercial A380 airliner. It has a range of over 8,000 nautical miles and can accommodate up to 853 passengers in its commercial configuration, but the VIP version is usually customized to seat around 50 to 100 passengers in ultimate comfort and style. In addition to its impressive interior features, the A380 VIP is equipped with advanced technology and safety systems. This includes state-of-the-art avionics and flight control systems, as well as advanced weather radar and collision avoidance systems. With a price tag of around $500 million, the Airbus A380 VIP is one of the most expensive private jets on the market today, but it is also one of the most exclusive and luxurious. It is the perfect choice for ultra-high net worth individuals, celebrities, and heads of state who demand the very best in terms of luxury and comfort while traveling. Well, that concludes our list of the top 10 private jets in the world, from the Bombardier Global 7500 to the Airbus A380 VIP. These private jets represent the ultimate in luxury, technology, and performance. While most of us will never have the opportunity to fly in one of these amazing aircraft, it's always intriguing to see how the other half lives. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be one of the lucky few to experience the ultimate in private jet travel. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. And don't forget to leave a comment below to let us know your thoughts on the video. Thanks for watching.